Hey, what's up everybody? This is Sing from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my FLIIK review. You can see now I'm inside the software. Everything I got over here, so I will give you a full demo exactly how does the software work. You know FLIIK, but you're not sure how it's working and what you're getting inside the software. In this video here, I will cover everything you need to know. And I also put ton of custom bonus that I wanted to get you, so hold the bonus that will really help you out. So in this software, it creates specially for affiliate marketing, and I believe that affiliate marketing is the best way to go right now, because you don't need to worry about the create product, customer support, or buy some product from China and sell on Amazon or eBay. Something is very complicated, and this affiliate marketing is I think now is the best way to go right now. And in this software, it creates specially for affiliate. Okay, so if you are affiliate marketer, this software you're gonna need, because this software will help you create two or even three or four product, and they will compare together. So this software will create video compare the product together. Okay, so your customer, you know that's which product is better for them. So if that makes sense, right? So when you see the product, you want to compare then which one is better and which one more quality, right? So in this software do exactly the same. And especially this software will automatically record directly from the page that already selling the product on there. They have you can record on the Amazon or eBay or even click buying product. Okay, this software will automatically record on the sale page and everything. Over there you can compare two or three product together, so that's your customer gonna be love. So that's really easy to do. Just 1, 2, 3 click, then you have everything. Then what you need to do, put your affiliate link on there, then you upload video on YouTube, then you get a lot of traffic on there, and your customer gonna love this. Okay, alright, so before we go to the folder about the software right here, I also have a lot of custom bonus that I would like to get you. So right now what you need to do, click the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. Look like this right here. Then you click to any orange button in the my bonus page here, it will take you to the sale page or the FLIIK. It look like this. Okay, then you click to any button in the sale page, then you are good to go. Alright, so before we go to the folder about the software, about my bonus, if your first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. Alright, so right now let's get started. Right, so as I explained earlier, so this is the software that help you create video review, compare 2 or 3 product together. Okay, 2 or 3 product together, so your customer gonna be love that. Okay, and this is the sale page of the FLIIK. If you don't see this sale page, click to the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page, and click to any orange button here. It will take you to sale page like this. Okay, so this you can see here's the 40,000, 80,000 hit in the 48 hour. Little guy affiliate system generate massive daily result without cost. Simple campaign system curing big companies and gender and full system revenue below. That's everything. Unique, customer friendly, and revenue this everything you're gonna need, and they explain everything over here. Okay, all right, so this is sale page. Let's go back to the my bonus page. So let's see what bonus I have offered to you. Okay, I have give for you free if you post the product by my link. Okay, so let's go down here, and so let's see, the first bonus I give for you today is SEO keyword mastery. Okay, so SEO is really important, guys. So this is my number one bonus that I wanted to give you, because I have prepared for you my 14 high quality bonus here. Okay, I will give for you access to everything you post the product here by my link. So the first bonus is SEO keyword mastery. Right now every affiliate need SEO, every business need SEO. So in this bonus I will show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. And then bonus number 2, I will show you do AdWords retargeting. So in here I will show you do AdWords and retargeting for your audience. Okay, the bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing ads. Look, a lot of people do Google ads and Facebook ads, but not a lot of people do Bing ads. And Bing ads, the price is cheaper. And the good thing about it, the old people searching on Bing ads, and the Bing ads is a lot of traffic as well, and the old people searching on that, and also the old people that have more money. Okay, so you do Bing ads, you also have a lot of traffic as well. And then bonus number 4, I will show you do video marketing. Look, a lot of people right now very need video marketing. You see every website right now they have video. That means video marketing is really important and very high convert. So I have include for you right here as well. And I'm not stuck in the bonus number 4. Okay, I have a lot of bonus right here. I have my 14 high quality bonus that I would like to get you everything over here. So feel free to jump ahead to my bonus and you can see this yourself as well, because this video I want to make this short. So after you post the product, and how would you access to my bonus, right? So after you post the product, you go to your WordPress, you go to your history product you already post, then you go down here, the little button bonus here, and you can click in here and you access to whole my bonus. Okay, right. Alright, so that's everything about my bonus. So right now, let's go ahead to the software. Okay.
Welcome to the FLIIK demo. Now in this demo, I'm going to explain what FLIIK is, what it does, and show you how it works. Now in a nutshell, FLIIK is a cloud-based software which will allow you to capitalize on a formula which has been around for as long as people have been making money online. Now the system capitalizes on the massive online shopping boom, and it does this through product comparison. Now product comparisons provide the information that consumers need, and it's an ethical and evergreen way of making money online. Now as I've said, this system has been around for a long time. FLIIK automates the process, makes the process really straightforward, really easy, especially if you're just getting started online. Now just to prove a point, I want to show you YouTube and Google, because FLIIK uses both. Now you can see here a ton of product comparison videos. You can go and check these yourself. You know, if you find a product, or if you're interested in a product, say iPhone for example, you put iPhone, say 11, 12, whatever, these, and then see what comes up. There's a ton of videos for pretty much anything you can dream up. You know, it could be an iPhone, it could be a pair of shoes, it could be a coffee machine, it could be a light bulb. It doesn't really matter. There are comparison videos for pretty much everything. And the point here is, you don't have to actually sell anything, you just provide those comparisons. People are already looking for those products. They've already got their credit card in hand. All you need to do is provide the information. So you provide the information as a product comparison video, and then you link through to your FLIIK hub page. Now on the FLIIK hub page, you'll have the products, your video will be added there, and everything is embedded with your affiliate link. Or you can link directly to the products. It's entirely up to you, but you get the page anyway. Now let me show you how this works. So once you log into FLIIK, you'll see a screen just like the one you see in front of you now. Now the first step is to click Create a Campaign. Then enter a name for the campaign and click Create, and choose from Compare Products or ClickBank Products. Now we need to find what customers are actually looking for. So let's drop in a phrase, say iPhone for example, and click search. Now the first thing you'll see is the competition analysis for the phrase that you've added. Now this is a broad phrase and we know it's going to be very, very high, but we're not really too bothered about that because we're going to be picking specific products. FLIIK integrates with Amazon and eBay, so you can compare products, physical products from both of those platforms. Everything is pulled via API, so there's very, very little to do. Simply select the products that you're interested in comparing, add in the search term. This is a term that will be used in YouTube, and then click proceed to video. Now what will happen now in the background is FLIIK will collect all of the details directly from the platform. So that could be eBay, Amazon, or it could be both, it doesn't matter. FLIIK will collect all of the details and it will build your video slides for you. And if you hate appearing on camera or any of that video editing stuff, then FLIIK is perfect. So again, FLIIK does most of the stuff for you. It'll extract all of the details from the products that you've chosen via API from the platforms, i.e. Amazon and eBay, and it will create your slides and ultimately your video. So once FLIIK completes your video, it will pop up in your dash. You can see it here. So what we're going to do is click on the share icon. Now this is the next step. It means uploading your video. Uploading your video to YouTube, Vimeo, especially YouTube, is vitally important for this system to work, because with the right title, these comparison videos rank almost instantaneously. It doesn't matter if you don't have a huge following or if you're just starting off with a new YouTube account, for example. The fact is, these comparison videos rank really, really quickly, and they can often stick around for a long, long time. So make sure you upload to YouTube. And then once you do that, the software will pull in the tags, descriptions, everything you need in order to rank, and it will auto create your hub page for you. Now, just to recap, FLIIK creates comparison videos. These are product comparison videos. You can compare digital products using ClickBank, or you can compare physical, tangible products, which can be absolutely anything, using Amazon and eBay. Now, the reason FLIIK and the process it follows works so well is because you're not actually selling anything. What you're doing is providing genuine information that people who are already set on buying that item will appreciate. They'll see the comparison video, they'll be able to weigh up the features of both products in one place without opening lots of other tabs, and they're going to be far more inclined to make a purchase. And you'll profit from whichever choice the consumer.
Alright guys, I hope this video helpful, and make sure you know that whole my bonus here is very high quality. You purchase the product, you access to whole my bonus right here. I've show you. Okay, so make sure you come here and purchase the product. So right now let's talk about the price. Okay, so this is the price from end. The price only $17. Okay, $17. You access to whole everything that I already show you over there. Is you access to everything, and they have few upsell. Okay, upsell number 1 is $47. Upsell number 2 is $67. Upsell number 4 is $67. Upsell number 5 $97, and upsell number 6 $127. So that's everything the have upsell right here. But the first sale from end here $17. That's good to go, I think, because you know the value you get on the software is very, very high quality. So $17 is just like nothing, right? You access to everything. So the first price I would recommend you go, because you go there and you can purchase product and you can try, right? So why not try this? It does can help you have more sale and more customer. Why not do that, right? And yeah, I would recommend you for use $15 right here, and you access $15. You access to whole my bonus that I offer to you as well. Okay, so don't forget that. Alright, so make sure you know this product gonna be launched in the 29th October. And right now I'm making this video is 28th October. So if you watch this video in the 29th October, you access to whole you can purchase the product and access to whole my 14 high quality bonus. Okay, alright guys, I hope this video helpful. If you like this video, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.